Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload videos on Facebook page. So if you're trying to upload a video to your Facebook page but not sure how, whether you are on mobile or desktop, this is how you can do it step by step. So if you are using your phone, you can just upload the video from the Meta Business Suite app. So you can just open the app and then select your page from the bottom tab and tap on post and select your video, and you can just add the captions, hashtag, and tap on share now or schedule it for later. But if you are using desktop like I do in here in the facebook.com, you can just go to your Facebook and log in and switch to your page. Use the top right profile switcher. So you click on your photo profile scene here and switch to your page. And now you can just click on photo or video under the post box in here. Click on it and choose your video file and wait for it to upload. You can just tap on add photos or videos and choose the video that you want to upload. For example, this one's right here. You can tap on open, and now once the video is uploaded, you can just add your captions, titles, and optional tags if you want to, and you can just tap on next and you can just post it, or you can also schedule it for later. And just like that, your videos is live. So now you know exactly how you can upload your video to any Facebook page fast and easy. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more social media tutorials, and let me know in the comments. And don't forget to click on the thanks button. Bye.